everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside of Set 9 of Bleach on Blu-ray. So here's the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slip cover off, and you get a little more of the same. Then you open it up, and you get that artwork on the back. Then you get disc 1 with episodes 224 to 230. Disc 2 with episodes 231 to 237. Disc 3 with episodes 238 to 244. And disc 4 with episodes 245 to 251. And then you get that artwork. So this has been Bleach Set 9 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.